Every drop from a dripping faucet is a tiny reminder of a common yet often overlooked problem. In homes across the Arvada area, and indeed around the world, these persistent drips contribute to a significant waste of water and an unnecessary rise in water bills. But this doesn't have to be your story. The solution is just a phone call away. By reaching out to qualified professionals at 888-501-1193, you can address this issue head-on. Don't let the drip drain your resources or your peace of mind. Act now, save water, save money, and secure a more sustainable future for yourself and the planet. Remember, every drop counts, and you have the power to stop it. Call today and make the first step towards a drip-free home.